Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Locate the PES 2017 install folder and ensure Steam is installed and running. Back up the game folder and your saves so you can restore if needed. Once done, temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender. These often quarantine DLLs and cause false missing errors. Now open File Explorer to the game directory and Steam's common folders. We will replace or restore Steam API DLL directly, so having the right folders open saves time. Next, try Steam's built-in Verify Integrity of Game files. This often re-downloads missing DLLs automatically. If that fails, manually copy Steam API DLL from Steam's common folder or from a known good backup into the PES 2017 folder. Make sure the DLL matches the game's architecture, 32-bit versus 64-bit, because the wrong version won't load. Once copied, set file permissions to allow read access and unblock the file in Properties if Windows flags it as downloaded from the internet. Finally, run Steam and launch PES 2017 as administrator to ensure proper permission for DLL loading. If the game starts, re-enable antivirus and add the game folder to exceptions to prevent future quarantines. If the error persists, reinstall the Steam runtime redistributables or perform a clean game reinstall. These restore supporting libraries. One key troubleshooting tip: check Windows Event Viewer or the game's crash log for loader errors indicating wrong DLL architecture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.